So hello guys, today we are going to learn how to make paper clowns. Okay, so let us see how to make it. Just fold this. Okay, this square paper you have to take, fold it, and then this fold which all you can see in the picture video, you can do it as per that. Okay, I've shown you all one by one step over here. Very simple, very easy it is to do. So you all can try this. Okay, just keep on folding it. Okay, this one you can fold it nicely or do it, and then this one, this part are not supposed to do this part. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, so what you'll have to do, yeah, this is correct part, this one. So do it like this way. Okay, and then you can just fold it, because some of you find it very difficult to insert it, so I have just put up, so I will just staple it. Okay, so it will be easy to staple. If you don't have the stapler, you can stick that last part for any of the part, and then you can put the finger inside, and then you can use and see this. So it's very interesting. You can try this. Okay, and I hope you have understood how to do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. It looks nice. See, you can try this for all the fingers, which will be easy for you. Okay. So try different colors. You can try same color. No problem in that. Okay, I'm just trying. I'm playing with it. It's very exciting because I'm doing it for the first time.